Class, we are going to discuss about exercise 2.2 problems. The first question, which of the following drawings from A to D show these values? Here they given some diagrams and they given some values. We have to match these values with these diagrams. Okay, first observe this first diagram. This is the diagram. They given three circles and they divided each circle into three parts and they shared some portions of each circle. We are going to find these values of shaded portions. Okay. In case of fraction, we already know that the fraction is nothing but the number of shaded parts we are taken, that is nothing but the number of parts we are taken out by the total number of parts a object is divided. Here, how many parts are shaded? Here, 2 parts are shaded. That is 2. How many parts are the object is divided? It is divided into 1, 2, 3. That is denominator. The number of parts we are taken, that is nothing but the number of parts shaded is 2 and the total number of parts the object is divided is nothing but 3. Therefore, the first diagram shows the value 2 by 3. In the similar way, in the second diagram also, 2 portions are shaded and 1 is left over. That is nothing but it is also 2 by 3. And in this diagram also, it is shaded 2 portions. Therefore, it is also representing 2 by 3. Here we have same type of 3 fractions. Therefore, I am taken this common. That is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 2 by 3. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3 into 2 by 3. Here this diagram represents 2 into 3 by 3. That is nothing but it shows the third value. In the similar way, you can write the fractional values of each diagram and then simplify that one and then find out which number is suitable for that diagram. Next, second question. Some pictures from A to C are given below. Tell which of them show the given values. It is also similar to above question. Okay. The first question. They given two circles and they shaded one portion of each circle. First, they divided each circle into how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First, I am going to write the first fraction of this first circle. They taken shaded one portion, that is numerator is 1. Out of how many parts? 3 parts. Therefore, the denominator is 3. In the second diagram also, they divided this object into 3 parts. That's why denominator is 3. And they shaded one part of this diagram. Therefore, numerator is 1. Therefore, the first one is 1 by 3 and the second one is also 1 by 3. Here these two are same. So, we are taken 1 by 3 as common. Next, 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. Here, 2 by 3 is how it is represented diagrammatically. This 2 by 3 is nothing but we have to take an object and divide that object into 3 parts. We have to share 2 portions. This is the representation of 2 by 3. Here they represented this one. They drawn a circle and divided it into 3 equal parts and they shaded 2 parts out of 3. In similar way, you can solve remaining problems in the second problem. Next, third question. Multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert it into mixed fraction. They given some values, that is nothing but they given the multiplication of a fraction with a whole number. We have to multiply these two numbers. After multiplication, if we get a mixed fraction, we have to convert that into lowest form. Okay. First, 7 into 3 by 5. We already know that the multiplication of a fraction with a whole number. When we have this one, we have to multiply that whole number with the numerator. So here I am multiplied 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. And we should write the denominator as it is. So I am written denominator as it is. This multiplication is nothing but 21 by 5. Here we have numerator is larger than denominator, so we can convert this into mixed fraction. When the numerator is greater than denominator, we can convert that into mixed fraction. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Here we get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. We should write the quotient as the mixed fraction whole value, and we should write the remainder as the numerator, and denominator is same in the previous fraction. Therefore it represents the lowest form of the given number. In the similar way, one more thing, 4 into 1 by 3. Here 4 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 4 into 1 is equal to 4 by 3. In this one also we have numerator is larger than denominator, that is 4 is greater than 3. Therefore we can convert it into mixed fraction. Therefore 3 ones are 3 and we get the remainder as 1. Here the quotient is 1, 3 ones are 3, that is the quotient, and the remainder, when we do, the remainder is 1. Therefore we write it as the numerator. Therefore this fraction is converted into 1 by 3. In the same way you can do the remaining problems in this exercise.